Okay, welcome back, class. Now let's talk about how to submit an assignment in It's Learning. Here I'm logged in as a student, so you should be seeing exactly what I'm seeing. I'm going to go to Resources because that is the quickest way to find everything that I need to get done. So I'm going to go to Unit 0. And I'm going to go here to Unit 0.1, Exploring the Course in It's Learning. Here I've got this right here. I'm going to read the directions. The deadline has passed, but I'm going to answer the assignment. First, I need to take a screenshot of my planner because that's what this assignment is. So here's my plans. So to take my screenshot, I'm going to press down on 3 buttons. One is in the bottom left of my keypad of my where all your letters are, and it's the FN button, and then one is the Windows button. It's a button with a little Windows picture on it, and then the other one is up at the top right, and it says Print Screen, PRTSCR, and I'm going to hit that, and that just took a screenshot of my plans. Now, if you're doing this on your phone, you can just take a screenshot with your phone. Go back to Resources. I'm going to go to 0.1. Then I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to answer the assignment with the green button. Now, I do not want to load any files here, and the reason is it takes a really long time for it to upload for me to look at it and for me to grade it. So what I can do is I can try Control V and see if my photo goes in, and it does not. So what do we do at that point? So at that point, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the bottom of my screen and open up a Word document. And I'm going to open up a blank Word document. And then in that Word document, I'm going to hit the right click and I'm going to hit paste. There's my photograph. That's my screenshot. Then I right click on it and I'm going to save it as a picture. Now you need to probably have a virtual place to save it. I put all my stuff like this in my downloads because I know I'm not going to keep it. So I just put it in my downloads box. Oh, I have to label it. Planner Virtual. What you name it is up to you. You just need to remember the name and remember where you put it. So now it's a photograph, and I'm going to go back to It's Learning, and I'm going to go here to the window icon. I'm going to click there, upload and insert, choose my file. Here are my downloads, and it's going to be over here, and it's going to be way down because I named it Planner, which starts with a P. Where did it go? We're going to do this. Oh, there it is up at the top. You can change your dates. So it goes from recent. All right, I'm going to click open. Now it's going to upload. And I'm going to click upload and insert. And there's my photograph. Then I'm going to click submit. If you're doing this on your phone, you click OK, and then you have to click submit. So when you see this come up where it says your answer not corrected, that means that it is submitted and it is waiting for me to go in and grade it. And you will also see your photograph in here. If you do not see your photograph, then you need to redo your assignment. That means I won't see your photograph either. And that is how you upload a photograph in It's Learning. For visual arts, you'll be taking a lot of photographs of your artwork and assignments, and that's how you're going to load them.